Hello everyone. Today we are going to guide you on how to manage the exception and regularization requests in the CamAttendance portal. To begin with, click on the regularization request under exceptions. Now you can see all the employees' details on the screen. After that, click on the calendar and select date, then click on the filters in the right hand top side corner. In types, under filters, select the LAR, late arrival, then click on apply. Similarly, you can select any option as per your requirement, then click on select all, and by clicking on the status, you can choose required option. Finally, click on apply. Now you will see all employees' details on the screen. Then click on the employees' details and then you will see employees exception request view. Here you can choose to approve or reject their request. After that, click on exception list to check the list of all employees. Select the month or years as per your choice and click on the checkbox exclude absent. Now you will get the list of all the employees. After that, on the right hand top side, click on filters where you will see company, department, shift, types and status. After that, in the types, you can select any option as required and finally click on apply. Now under action, click on the three dots. Then you will see mark P, mark A, mark HLF. Mark HLF by session, mark leave. If you click on mark P, then you will get a notification of exception regularized. Now you will be able to see P under attendance. Now you can mark the box against employee details for bulk regularization. After that, go to regularization request and click on three dots under action where you have to click on approve. Then select new attendance status as mark HLF and click on approve. Finally, you will get a pop-up of exception regularized. After that, again click on three dots and select reject, where you will get notification of exception request rejected. Now click on the audit logs and select date range as per requirement. You can also search employee ID or name in the given search bar. Add name as EMP5, then you will get all the details on the screen. After that, click on the regularization request where you can see the status as approved, rejected or applied. Thank you for your valuable time. We will meet you soon in our next tutorial video.